My wife and I have a concern for my mother-in-law. She's got like a touch of Alzheimer's, and seems like every day she's not staying with us. And she has a lot of property and a good wealth, and we're scared to death that she's going to wind up losing it all to somebody we don't even know about because she doesn't remember who comes to her door and all kind of things she talks about. What can we do to help her, get her straightened out or whatever?
Mm-hmm. Great
Good question.
That is a good question. It's a common concern. Matthew, do you know, has your mother-in-law signed a power of attorney document, designating maybe your wife as her agent, or what the document calls her attorney in fact?
No, she that's what I'm saying. She's in denial. She refuses to do anything like it. If we mention it to her, she gets totally PO'd at us and just won't talk to us.
Yeah, a lot of elderly people think that they sign a financial power of attorney allowing, somebody like your wife authority over their property, that also means they can throw them in a nursing home or something like that. And they're very concerned about that. It doesn't do that at all, but really the only alternative to a power of attorney document is to be appointed as guardian or conservator over her. And that's a very expensive proposition. A power of attorney can be prepared by a lawyer very easily for somewhere in the range of about $100, maybe $200. Setting up a guardianship or a conservatorship will literally be in the range of about $5,000. But if she's got the mental capacity still to know what she's doing and to sign that that power of attorney document, you ought to have her do that right away. And if not, to protect her from people who may be preying upon the elderly. There's a lot of elderly abuse out there. There's a lot of that kind of stuff happening. Then you would need to get a guardianship appointed over her, and that might also be an unpleasant experience for her. It might, there might be a lot of adversity, but that's the answer to your question.